No. Hey.
Uy, ang galing! Pwede yun! Singing song. Uy! Ikaw nga kasi. Kanta lang tayo.
I close my eyes and I can see the world is waiting up for me. Then I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through no one's waiting for, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind.
Kumanta ka rin.
I don't care, so call me crazy.
Ay, bawal daw mo yung mag-phone.
We can live in the world.
Lex, wala pa yung memo.
die.
Wala bawal mag-phone?
Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. I'm
Hindi, yung phone mo.
away. I think of what the world can be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Ano yung
Team song namin to ng crush ko nung grade 2
Team
eh.
song natin. Ang dami kong ano.
That house we can build.
Wi-Fi is connected.
The room inside is filled with
New segment. New segment. On model. Uy!
things I can buy. Each one there to make you smile
On a rainy day.
Diba ba daw nyo? They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to the world that we decide.
Sorry, kuya, medyo
Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams that it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, but say that you'll bring me along to the world you see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me away. A million dreams, I think the world could be a vision of
Parang mali to, no? Parang mali. Parang medyo mali.
a million dreams.
Girl, we're gonna make it! Woo!
A million dreams. Ay,
Wala pa.
a million dreams.
Wait! Oh, yun na. Next song. Hanap pa. Song book. Ikaw. Wala pa lang ako.
You may be right, you may be wrong.
Pwede to.
Hi everyone, I'm Sammy Tree.
74?